just at Farina, which was established in 1878. It was theoretically going to be like the bakery or the flour mill of the north. That was the hope. There was 300 people living here in the heyday, and some of the old ruins, very well looked after now. There's a bit of a historical society that comes here and repairs some of the buildings. And there's the van. There's some other buildings down the back there. Got a very well established house just over the side here, and right down the back there is the old hotel, Exchange Hotel. Quite a significant contribution to the First and Second World War, with young men going off to war in both wars. So, yeah, great little spot. Good little campground, flushing toilets, and if you're prepared to fire up the donkey, you can have a hot shower. So, and then down here, in that little building there, is an underground bakery. So that's open from around March through to earlier in the season, maybe August or so, July. You can come in here and buy your freshly baked bread.